Alright, in this video we're going to be changing the Jeep's blower motor here, and this is a big learning lesson. Thankfully I was able to figure it out before diving in, but saw online a lot of Jeep 2004 YouTube videos will have you remove the battery, remove the computer, and then the blower motor is against the firewall back in there near the passenger seats, passenger's foot. But on my Jeep, it is actually right here. This unit right here, that guy, this right here is the same as that bad boy. So it looks like it's going to be toolless, just a couple pins and rotating some clips, and that's going to be it. Let's check it out. I'm very confident that it is the blower motor because I've changed the resistor under the dash, and this is a brand new control switch. And still, let me turn it on. Nothing in any of the settings. However, when the Jeep's on, I hear the doors, you know, I hear the compressor work, and the RPMs of the motor also fluctuate when turned on. So, blower motor. Alright, so we're going into the seat, into the passenger footwell, and we've got this guy right here. So, red tab, electric harness, pull that. It's pretty difficult to see. That slid out nicely. And then I'm pretty sure it's just rotating. Got a tab like that. That will interlock somewhere on the body of all this down there. So just find the tab. Found you. Came out nice and easy. Alright. The old one. And the new one. I kind of like the older version. I'll show you why. Because the new version has the coils exposed. Down in there you can see the coils of the motor. On this one they're covered. See, we got a lot of debris and dust and things, and it doesn't freely spin as nice as the other one, so it makes me feel a little bit better that this is the right move. Wiggle test. Wiggle test is good. Camera still down. Put back the plug, which is lined up perfectly, as it should be. Ooh, the moment of truth. We'll have air conditioning. Oh yeah, she's blowing good now. This unit is a lot louder than how it was before, but I don't care. It's a soft top Jeep. It's loud anyway. So check your location. That was a lot easier than pulling out the battery shelf, taking out the computer, which I already know a little bit of, like, is that good? I'm sure it's fine, but leaning down in there, definitely easier.
Check the location. 2004 Jeep Wrangler Sport. That's how it was.